Nature. Nature. I download stuff in nature. I download stuff, I download energy. I download information in nature and I download energy in nature. You know, this is not a metaphor or an analogy. This is literally download energy and information from nature. Nature is one of the fundamental source of energy extraction. If you know how to excuse me, if you know how to extract the energy, but then you have to be vibrating in a particular frequency in order to extract that energy from nature effectively and efficiently. You know, there's a level of cognizance, there's a level of knowledge, there's a level of knowing, there's a level of awareness, there's a level of metaphysical understanding in terms of how we extract energy from nature, how some of us seem biologically predisposed this parapsychological phenomenon. You know, you have to understand elements: earth, fire, air, water. The water possess. You know, from an animistic perspective, everything is conscious. There's no such thing as lack of consciousness. Everything that exists possesses consciousness.